Hi friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to activate expanded dark theme mode on Google Pixel 7a. So it is very simple. Just open your menu by swiping up, then go to Settings Application, then select Display and Touch. Okay, you can see here option of Display and Touch. Open that. Under Appearance Sections, you can see dark theme option. Tap on that text, not the button. Just tap on that text. Then you can see there is two options like standard and expand. Okay, if you select expand, then Google try to convert those application into dark theme, and most of the case application work perfectly. That means displaying items perfectly, but in some application maybe you can find some bugs or it is displaying correctly. So it is very useful if you are like low light in your smartphones. So it's very good option, and that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.